Hey folks, thanks and welcome to Vaughn's Corner. I want to show you how to clean a boat the way that I do it. It's the most simplest way that I found, and the product that we're using today is FSR. You just brush it on and rinse it off, and I'll show you it. Now I've just recently wet the boat down, so alright, I'll show you how easy this is to work. See these stains here? Go right here. I'll leave a little bit on here so that you get an idea. There we go, let me rinse this off. Lift a little bit right there, but I'll go over that again. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how we do it, and this is the product. One more time. And we're not sponsored by these people at all, so but it will help you. All right, thanks, and hit that like button. Thanks.